How to buy Flockerz token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account as you can see and keep following their updates about this token. To be able to buy this token, go and open their official website. As you can see, this token is under the pre-sale. Now you have to connect your wallet. Just click on buy now from here. And now connect your wallet. Now I will use MetaMask for this. And now after that, as you can see, type here how much you want to buy. And as you can see, make sure you have this amount of Ethereum for gas fee. Now make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet, and after that you will be able to just click on buy now and enter your phone number to receive a code and submit that code on their website, and you will be able to complete the buy process. Now if you want to buy with your card, just click on Ethereum here and click on buy with card. Now after that, type how much you want to buy with USC. And as you can see, you will receive a 15,192 of that token. Just click on buy now and now click on continue. Now wait a few seconds, and here as you can see, enter your phone number. You will receive a code. Now just submit it here and you will be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Flockerz token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.